So hey everyone, this is my first video on probability of learning data science together with me. Okay, let's start with the first course on probability. Okay, so when we talk what is probability, then what is it? Probability is the measure of the likelihood that an event will occur. It quantifies uncertainty. Some of its applications are weather forecasting, risk assessment, game of chance, insurance calculation, and medical diagnosis. When we talk about probability, it's whether the likelihood or the likelihood of the occurrence, like how likely this event would likely to occur, how likely this event would occur. Like this type of event are defined by probability, and probability are always between equal to zero or less than or more than zero and less than equal. Let me explain by this text. Okay, probability are always equal to less equal to 0 or more greater than 0 or less than 1 or equal to 1. As you can see here, probability is expressed as a number between 0 and 1. 0 for impossible event and 1 for certain event. Random experience and outcomes. A process that leads to results that cannot predict with certainty. Each time you repeat the experience, result may be different. The outcomes. Okay, random experiment. A process that leads to result that cannot predict with certainty. Each time you repeat it. Okay, like the experiment will have different outcome in every other experiment. Like if I throw a dice 6 times, like, or four times, let's say 4 times. Okay, 4 times we get different output. Sometimes we get two, sometimes we get three, sometimes we get five. Like two times I get three. I get three 2 times, and four 1 time, and one time. This is in random experiment, and we are getting random outcomes on on multiple experiment. The outcomes are random, like the outcomes are changing actually according to the multiple experiments. Example of experiments are flipping of coin, drawing a deck from card, measuring a rainfall in a day, counting number of customers. Okay, next, sample space. The sample space is the set of all possible outcome of a random experiment. We typically denote the sample space is denoted as or the Greek letter omega. Point toss. Okay. Sample space is the set of all possible outcome of a random experiment. What are the all possible? If you throw a dice on like dice in 6 faces, what are the all possible outcome of that random? If you throw like infinite times, if you throw the dice infinite times, what are the all possible outcomes that can be came from the dice? Like it could be one, like it has just 6 faces, and it could be one, it could be two, it could be three, it could be four, it could be five, and so on. Six. And we generally donate is using the Greek letter omega or with the letter S. Some example are coin toss and drawing a card. Events. An event is a subset of all the sample space of the, oh, I mean, an event is a subset of the sample space, a specific outcome or collection of outcome from an experiment. So event is a subset of from the sample, a specific outcome or collection of outcome from an experiment. Okay. When we talk about the dice only, like how much time, like if we throw the dice 6 times and 6 times and two, the number two comes 3 times. Then what is the like the event? Like how much time does the number two occur? It occurs 3 times actually 3 times. Okay, like so two is an possible event of the dice. Here, like event are known as two is a specific event of the dice, so it is also known as the event of a dice. Some example are simple event rolling a four on a die, compound event rolling an even number two four on a die. Yes, when you also talk about even number, like when we talk about like getting an even number on the dice, then the possibility is 1/2. And there are almost 6 faces in the dice and almost there are three numbers, three even numbers on the dice. Then the when we divide three by six, we get 1/2. So that's how this that's how this is called also an event. Like this event is also an compound event, an impossible event like rolling a seven on a standard die. When we roll in while we have six faces on the dice, as this number is an impossible event, and certainly we're rolling a number between one and six. Like certain event, like if we like let's talk about a coin which have both side head. Then what both side head? Then what is the certainty that this head would occur? The certainty of the head would be like one, because because this is a certain event, and the possibility of coming of the getting an event as is just like is one, and this is a certain event. Event are typically denoted by capital letter A, B, C. For example, if A rolling an even number, 2, 4, 6. Type of event I already talked about: simple event, compound event. Simple event are the one outcome from the sample space, and compound event are the event consists of multiple outcomes from the sample space, and miscellaneous event are event that cannot occur simultaneously. Like when we talk about drawing a king or drawing a king and drawing a queen from a deck, it can't be a simultaneously, like one after one. Independent event, even with which where the occurrence of one does not affect the probability of the other. Like when we talk about the dice only, thus coming of like when we throw the die three times, we get a number two, four. When we get a number four three times only. Does it affect the we throw when we throw the die four times? Does the getting a number three times affect it? Like getting in we get a like let me repeat it. We throw a dice three times and we get a number four. Does it affect the four time of the dice of getting a number three, or getting a number two, or getting a number one? No, it doesn't affect any. We can again get a number four, or we can get a different number also, and doesn't affect any of the number. Yeah. So this is what I talk about. Fair event. Fair event or a fair event occur when all possible outcomes in the sample space are equally likely to occur. Each outcome has the same probability, no bias or preference toward any outcome, equal chance of occurrence for all outcomes. Fair event are the event where all the like when you talk about a dice, all all the like dice has six faces, and all of the six faces have 1/6 probability of coming. And when we talk about a coin, it all both sides has 1/2 of probability of coming, of getting of becoming an outcome. So all the event when all the event has equal number of opportunities of becoming an outcome, then it is known as a fair event. Basic probability tool, as I already told about this, the probability will occur between 0 and 1. A certain event will assess samples for impossible event, complementary event, and useless event. Okay. The second part would be a joint probability, which we would start tomorrow, and be ready for it. And thank you for watching.